So welcome to Techie Rocket. You're watching this video, and in this video I'm going to show you
the .os. So this ROM is based on the Android 11, the latest ROM with the latest features and lots of customization. And you can see the really unique and really modern look of this ROM. You can see the look and the customization, the notification panel and all the other things. And there's also a surprise at the end of the video, so don't miss it. So if you want this, then keep watching this video. So now we're on our home screen. So you can also check out the link of Telegram group. So just open your browser and all links are in the description. So check the link and just click on the find your device, and here you can see the list of the device code. You have to search which device you have. I have the Wins, that is the Note 5, and the GFs variant I want to install. The GFs variant is recommended, so follow the link and just click on the try to download anyway. Now after some time your download will be started and already downloaded, so just go to the recovery. On the restart, just go to the recovery. So make sure your bootloader is unlocked and recovery installed. I have installed the Orange Fox recovery. So in the mount section, just mount everything: cache, system, vendor and data. And in the wipe, you have to do a clean flash if you're installing a first Android 11 based ROM. And for clean flash, you must wipe your system like this. I'm doing a dirty flash, so I'm not going to do it. So now in the file explorer, just find the file that you downloaded, and this is the .os R, the Android R. So just click it and deselect this one. Now swipe to install, just install this, and now this will take some time, just wait for it. And now after installation, you can also wipe cache. And now the first step is done, and now the second step is to flash the magics for root your device. Just swipe. And now it's installed, and now the third step is optional, basically a migrate backup if you already have. Now the fourth step, that is flash your bootloader. And it's already done, just hit the reboot system and just wait for it. This is a really clean, nice and modern animation logo of it, the .os. So yeah, everything's done. So here you can see this is the really stable Android 11 based ROM, and I'm using it for a week, and this looks pretty nice for me. These apps are opening for the first time, that's why taking lots of time. So you can see everything is really smooth. The camera app is also, I'm using the latest one. So you can use this ROM as a daily user. Check out this dark theme. And the color accent, there's lots of amount customization are available. And here you can see this is the my customized power menu. If you want this, then make sure to check the end of the video. So in the about section, you can see the Android version. Just swipe it. So yeah, that's the Android 11, and you can see the Android on time.os and the customization here you can see with a different customization menu are available. Some pre-installed wallpaper over here. That's the wallpaper, and in the lock screen AOD is not available for now. You can see the lots of customization, the basic data are available to every ROM. You can see the lock screen like this, and there are huge amounts of customization are available and options over here. I can't show you every function, so you have to explore everything. Just install it and explore all the features by yourself. So you can see battery outside inside. So keep enjoying this video. So if you're watching this video and if you're really enjoying this video, then make sure to hit the like button. And let me tell you, I make regular these type of tech related videos. So if you want to watch these type of content more, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and I will do my best. So the problem with this ROM is that there's no integration with the music player of the notification panel. But maybe in the future, this is the volume panel. And you can also copy text directly from just long pressing on the text. And you can also select the text by bottom and also take the screenshot for it. And this contains the pixel launcher, the default, and you can see I've installed this ROM for this really new look. And you can also decrease the DPI. So yeah, if you want this, watch my previous video for it. Link is in the description. And here's the preview.
So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload this type of tech related videos. So see you in the next video.